Find full-text peer-reviewed journal articles and many other types of information sources using EBSCOhost Academic Search Ultimate and specialized databases. To start a search from the main basic search page, first select the Choose Databases link above the search box. A window will appear listing all of EBSCOhost's specialized databases. Academic Search Ultimate should already be selected by default, as it provides information sources from the broadest range of subjects. But depending on your topic, you may want to select other databases. Click the expand arrows for database descriptions, or select Detailed View at the top of this window. After selecting your databases, click OK to return to the search page. Enter your search terms into the search box. Use only the most important words or phrases that make up your topic. On the results page, the number of items retrieved will be displayed at the top of the results column. The Refine Results area of the page contains filters to help you narrow down your search using specific criteria. For example, you can limit your search to only peer-reviewed sources by checking the box for this option, or narrow your results to a range of publication dates. Choose source types to limit your search to categories of items like news, magazines, or academic journals. Continue to explore other filters if you need to further limit your results. In the Search Results column, the titles of the information sources are hyperlinks that will take you to a detailed record of the item and its full text. Before you click on a title, you may want to check the item's details. Note the publication date, the type of source, and subjects assigned to the item, as they fully describe the item's content. Take note of relevant subjects, so that you can start new searches with these exact subject terms to retrieve similar items. The detailed record page of an item provides options for reading the full text. Some items will have an abstract, a summary that can help you determine how relevant an item is to your research. If your search included multiple databases, the name of the specific database where this item was retrieved will be listed. The record page includes a column with useful database tools. Like most research databases, addresses from the address bar cannot be used to access an item later. Instead, save an item to a Google Drive account. Email yourself a link to an item, or copy the permalink for a persistent link to a record page. The Cite tool will auto-generate a citation for an item in your preferred citation format. But note that you will need to verify the accuracy of this citation. EBSCOhost will let you export a citation to Noodle Tools, which our students have free access to through the library. More help with citations can be found on the library's How to Cite page. Make sure to visit our website for more resources and research help options.